Guys, I am going to be doing a 1 hour power hour clean with me. It's currently 9:03, so I'm going to go ahead and set the clock to 1 hour and see what all I can get done. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Now let's go ahead and get to cleaning. Let's see if I can accomplish all this that I just showed y'all in 1 hour. Kitchen is complete and I have 34 minutes on the clock. Now I have 24 minutes on the clock. And now I got 16 minutes on the clock to do the bath.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Okay guys, I have the bathroom to wipe and then put the mud down, but clock timer 10:05. That's when I finished. So I'm gonna set the timer again for another 5 minutes and go mop the floor. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so I have 5 minutes. Gonna mop the floor.
Something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Okay guys, 37 minutes on the clock. 10:09. Okay guys, I made it. I survived 1 hour and 5 minutes. I'm gonna give myself the benefit of the doubt and say that that extra 5 minutes was due to me having to readjust the camera and move the camera. So I did it guys, I did it. I got everything accomplished within 1 hour. So yay. So to get out the house, that's what I do. So I upload shopping vlogs and a cleaning video every week, plus daily shorts, sometimes 2 shorts a day. So be sure to subscribe if that's something you want to see. Anyways guys, enough of me yapping. I barely talk on this or show my face. I was trying to get it all done within an hour and I was really moving really fast. But love you guys.